My name is Aileen. I am now a senior account executive for Red River region, and I started as an SDR back in January of 2019. So I worked as an SDR for about a year and 8 months and learned a lot in that role. A big portion of that was kind of spent in discovery of what was that next step at Service Express. Of course, I fell in love with the culture here, what the team brought in. We have a lot of really great people that can kind of help you get up to speed within your development. And really got to just explore what other departments that could help me build in some of the strengths that I have. So whether that be marketing or continuing on with sales or working within some of the services, including billing. The really cool part about sales development is you have access and the ability to kind of grasp at all those different resources. So I was able to gain more knowledge and really get that experience to take me into my new role as an SAE. A big portion of what you do as an SDR is not only prospecting, but it's working within any of your representatives that you are setting those meetings with. So I really learned a lot from actually working with some of the reps as far as what strategies, how do we help our customers, what does it look like to start these relationships. You really do create a bond, not only with the people that you're talking to over the phone, but who you're working alongside to be setting these meetings and who they'll continue to meet with. So I had a lot of fun really learning, what is great messaging and what does it look like to really gain momentum within an account in order to win business.